What type of fat should you limit to protect your liver? Trans fats. What is the main danger of too much salt for the kidneys? High blood pressure. Eating too much of this mineral can be bad for your heart health. Sodium. Which lifestyle habit is most harmful to overall organ function? Lack of sleep. What is the biggest environmental risk factor for skin damage? UV radiation. What essential nutrient is important for strong hair growth? Protein. What is a good habit for preventing eye strain when using a screen? The 20-20-20 rule. Which vitamin deficiency can make your nails brittle and weak? Biotin, vitamin B7. Which common spice can help reduce inflammation in the lungs? Turmeric. What is the primary source of vitamin B12 for non-meat eaters? Fortified cereal. Which mineral is known for helping to calm the nervous system? Magnesium. Which color pigment found in carrots is good for your eyes? Beta-carotene. Besides calcium, which vitamin is vital for bone health? Vitamin D. What type of fat in fish is crucial for brain development and function? Omega-3 fatty acids. What does the term probiotics mean for your digestion? Good gut bacteria. Which colorful berry is known to have strong anti-inflammatory properties? Blueberries. What is the ideal range for the top number, systolic, in blood pressure? Less than 120. What is a typical healthy measurement unit for blood sugar level? mg/dl. What is the approximate normal body temperature in Celsius? (37.0°C). What is the recommended minimum daily intake of fiber in grams? (25 grams). What is a healthy resting heart rate range in beats per minute? (60 to 100).
The urinary bladder is a type of organ primarily made of what?
Muscle tissue. Which part of the kidney actually filters the blood to make urine? Nephrons. Besides filtering blood, what key substance do the kidneys help control? Body fluid balance. What is the primary function of bile produced by the liver? Digesting fat. Which gland is often called the master gland because it controls others? Pituitary gland.
The spleen is a key organ in your body's defense system, also known as the lymphatic system.
After absorbing nutrients, where do they mostly go from the small intestine? The liver. Which organ secretes insulin to control blood sugar?
Pancreas.
What is the main role of the diaphragm muscle? Help with breathing.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.